Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add a message into a favorite on a WhatsApp application. So first thing we have to do is just open the WhatsApp, and after that just choose which message that you want to add into your favorite. Sometimes you choose the favorite messages for like make it easier to find the message later, so that you just need to go by choosing the message, and after that just click and drag, or click and hold, sorry, and after that there will be appear several options and you just need to click start. You can just do the same. So I think this message is quite important for me because I need to like make sure I can go back into this message easily, like even after there will like another conversation with this person. So the favorite message will be like symbolized by a star symbol down here. And how to check or how to go to find the favorite message, you just need to go into the settings, and after that you just need to go into start message, and you will find a start message that you already saved before. So that's all the way how to add a message into the favorite. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.